I'm Eliza, I'm from Romania, and I'm a participant in this training in Brussels.
My name is Marian Sidar and I'm coming from Romania.
So my name is Chloe and Eurocircle is my sending organization and I'm from France. So I participate to this training because I wanted to learn more about migration and what the initiative Europe can take about this.
Hello, I'm Ifi, I'm 22 and I'm from Greece. I'm Fotini, I come from Ioannina, Greece. I work as a volunteer in a camp with refugees in Ioannina.
Hello, I'm Sebastian Dobrescu from Romania and I'm 24 years old.
Elisa, what do you think about this training?
I really enjoyed it this week.
It was very interesting. We have learned so many stuff about intercultural things, intercultural dialogue.
Overall, it was a very nice experience. I definitely will be going back home with my perspective and my horizons a bit more widened, with some fundamental values changed for the good.
So, what do you think about this training? So now we are at the end. Have you been interested? And just some feedback.
I just wanted to know more. And at the end of the week, I learned so many things about what the other countries do and how they deal with the migration.
Did you like it at the end? And can you give me some feedback?
It was nice. I met a lot of people, and then the focus groups were very important for me. It's where the input really came in on the migration and refugee field, from sharing experiences and practices. That was good.
And things related to migration, immigrants. We have discussed also about refugees, about policies.
I learned the situation in many different countries about migrants.
Yeah, I think it's useful for me also the network, because this is also a thing that I wanted to count for the network.
I have learned many different things. I developed a deeper understanding about other cultures. I learned not to judge people who have different cultures than me, and I should respect them. I learned many practices that I may use in order to include migrants.
And so I met youngsters from other organizations, and also the organizers and the trainer. So I think it's a really great thing.
I have no extent expertise, but I learned to communicate in English, in working with other people with other nationalities. I heard about the situation of the migrants in their countries, and now I have many information in my mind. I also have many ideas when I come back in my country.
And basically we have also discussed about the Erasmus projects and how can we apply.
Would you suggest to some other youth workers, to participate in a training like this? And if yes, why?
Okay. So I definitely recommend other youth workers to participate in this kind of trainings.
Yes, I will definitely recommend the youth workers participate at this kind of courses, because now we are living in a world where, like in Europe, it is now a trend to be radical, and I think intercultural exchanges may help in order to improve communication between countries and to make them to be open to new things, I can say, and to have an open mentality.
Of course, I would suggest anyone to take part in projects like this, because you meet many different people with whom you may cooperate in the future for other projects?
First of all, it's really sharing experiences, learning like different energizers, having fun. Also, make a good practice of your English. It's very important, and not to forget, you travel. So this is good. You travel, you see other country, and also learn something. I think is the best combination for me.
Thank you very much.
Also, thank you.
Would you suggest this training, exactly this training, to some other youth workers? And if yes, why?
Yeah, I recommend it because you met a lot of people from everywhere in Europe, and you can share your culture, your practice, and it's very interesting to see how people work and how they deal with the issue.
I would absolutely recommend it because here you can learn many things. You can also discuss serious problems.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
And it's also like for me, for example, now I know that I'm going in Greece in October because I want to see the camp refugee and what they are doing and how they deal with it. So I think it's a very good opportunity to meet people and take action in what you believe in.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it was, and also like I can understand now the situation of the refugees. It was very helpful for me not only to understand this, but also to somehow make a mechanism to put myself in another person's shoes and pretty much see from a different perspective, not only with refugees but also with other people. I would suggest for younger people only the reasons would be a lot, but only for going outside of your comfort zone, experimenting with other people, going in their field of consciousness and taking something back with you, just experimenting and growing and learning about. I learned a lot about other people, about other organizations here, which I think will help me a lot. It's just I know why I would come back, but I think everyone will have his own reasons. But I think only to be in this place, to be with this kind of people in this kind of context would be enough.
Thank you very much.
Thank you also.
Okay, Marian, thank you very much for this video, and have a safe trip back to Romania.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Avec 2 enfants.